All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next sessions. Our next keynote takes a closer look at the global epicenter, positioning Islamic finance as Indonesia's standalone growth story for 2045. And now, please allow me to welcome our speakers. As the Deputy Director of the Center for Digital Business and Sharia Economy Data, National Committee for Islamic Economy and Finance, Republic of Indonesia, please welcome to the stage Bapak Dedi Wibowo, SAMM, PhD, CCRM. Stage is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. Good morning everybody. The Honorable Pak Dr. Ferry Irawan, SEMSE, Deputi Bidang Koordinasi Pengelolaan Pengembangan Usaha BUMN Kementerian Koordinator Bidang Perekonomian Republik Indonesia. Bapak Arif Ilham Adnan from Kadin, Chamber of Commerce. And distinguished speakers, guests, ladies and gentlemen. So today, as a representative of Committee of National Economic, Islamic Economic, National Economic, it is a distinct honor and privilege to stand before such a prestigious assembly of leaders. I would like to express my sincere gratitude also for Trescon and the entire of organizing committee for convening this definitive gathering of Indonesia financial sector leadership. Sorry. Okay. So we are gathered here at the Finance 2045 conference, a platform uniquely designed to shape the future of financial service in Southeast Asia. It is particularly inspiring to see this event collocated also with the World Artificial Intelligence Show, Jakarta 2026, signaling a powerful convergence between financial leadership and technological innovation. I am pleased to address an audience that represents the very engine of our economy. Over 1,000 C-suite executives, 100 leading investors, and 300 senior leaders, and all from our top-tier banks and insurance groups. To the 500 high-growth SMEs and the 100 government officials present, your collaboration is what will turn to our 2045 vision into a reality. To each of you, your presence here signifies a commitment to bridging global capital to Indonesia digital boom. Indonesia stands a historic crossroads as a home of the world's largest Muslim population. We are no longer just participants. In the global Islamic economy, we are fast emerging as its global hub. The global epicenter to positioning Islamic finance as Indonesia standalone growth story for 2045. At the National Committee for Islamic Economic and Finance, KNIKS, we are under the Indonesian President. Our mandate is very clear, to shape Indonesia's Islamic financial architecture and integrate it into the nation's broader development agenda. We believe that Islamic finance is not merely an alternative system. It is a structural growth pillar, essential for mobilizing capital toward Indonesia's long-term ambition. The theme of this conference, Bridging Global Capital to Indonesia's Digital Boom, resonates deeply with our mission in a world seeking stability and ethical investment. The Sharia compliant framework offers a resilient and transparent bridge for global institutional capital allocation to participate in our national growth. To achieve our Indonesia Emas 2045, the government, through the National Medium-Term Development Plan, or RPGMN, and the National Halal Economy Roadmap, we call it Master Plan Ekonomi Syariah Indonesia, or MEXI, has identified 4 strategic pillars. For the Islamic economy, These pillars are the foundation upon which we will build the standalone growth story. Okay. The first is strengthening the halal value chain through accelerating the national halal economy roadmap to ensure that sector like food, fashion, pharmaceutical move from being consumption-based to becoming production-based powerhouse. We want Indonesia to be the world primary exporter of halal products, creating a robust ecosystem for our 500 SMEs to scale globally. And the second is primary focus of KNIKS is deepening of our Islamic capital markets that we will discuss also in this discussion, in this conference. We are working to diversify Sharia compliant instruments such as Sukuk and Green Wakaf. So with high impact, sustainable investment opportunities that drive infrastructure and social development, not only spirit solution, Indonesia also developed innovative combination product such as cash wakaf link sukuk and cash wakaf link deposit to attract the market. The third is strengthening Islamic financial services. So then fortifying our banks and insurance sector to be more competitive and inclusive by integrating Islamic finance into broader financial system. We provide a buffer against global volatility as Sharia principles emphasize asset-backed financing and risk sharing. And the fourth is empowering the digital halal economy. So then create the digital boom meets tradition by leveraging our position as a leader in digital adoption. We are ensuring that the Islamic economy is digital by default. This leads me to a crucial point regarding our collocation with the World AI Show. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the convergence of finance and technology is the X factor for our 2045 goals, Indonesia Emas. The digital boom mentioned in our conference theme for us in KNIKS also. It is not just about e-commerce. It is about the democratization of financial services, especially in Sharia business. So with the rise of AI, we have an unprecedented opportunity to enhance Sharia financial institution. So we should use AI-driven Sharia compliant for fintech to banking to reach the unbanked and underbanked population. The second, improve transparency. So we utilize blockchain and AI to ensure the traceability of halal products and the ethical allocation of Islamic social finance, which is zakat and wakaf. And then we optimize capital allocation that enable institutional capital allocators to make data-driven decisions that align with Sharia values. For the investor and tech founders in this room, Islamic finance offers a framework that is naturally aligned with the ethics of technology, that prioritizes real economic activity over speculation, a perfect match for sustainable digital innovation. Therefore, we believe that Finance 2045 is more than a conference. It is call for action. To our investors, Indonesia Islamic economic is standalone growth story. With untapped potential, we invite you to be part of this journey as we bridge global capital to local innovation. To our banking regulatory leaders, let us continue to collaborate in refining our Islamic financial service architecture to be the most innovative and inclusive in the region. And to our SMEs and entrepreneurs, you are the heartbeat of the halal value chain. Our roadmap is designed to ensure you have the capital and the digital tools to thrive. So, in closing, in closing, I'm confident that the discussion held over these 2 days in this hotel in Sheraton at Jakarta will lay the groundwork for a prosperous 2045 for Islamic finance. Let us work together to ensure that Indonesian financial future is not only technologically advanced, but also ethically grounded and global competitive. Thank you for the honor for your participation. I look forward to productive session. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.